Now let us understand how audio flows inside Android Automotive. Audio is categorized into two types, logical streams and physical streams. This distinction is very important and often misunderstood. A logical stream is created when an application wants to play sound. For example, a music app or a navigation app creates a logical stream. This stream is tagged with audio attributes. These attributes describe intent, such as music playback, navigation guidance, or phone communication. At this stage, Android clearly understands what kind of sound is being produced. Logical streams do not reach the hardware directly. Inside Android, these logical streams are processed by the internal mixer called AudioFlinger. AudioFlinger mixes multiple logical streams together based on policy rules. After this mixing step, the output becomes a physical stream. A physical stream is simply a stream of audio samples sent to the audio HAL for rendering on hardware. At this point, Android is no longer dealing with app-level intent. Here is the most important nuance. Once logical streams are mixed into a physical stream, all audio attribute information is lost. The system no longer knows which sound was music or which sound was navigation. The physical stream contains only raw audio samples. This design has a direct impact on routing and ducking behavior. After mixing, Android cannot selectively control individual sound types at hardware level.
Because context is lost, after mixing, hardware-level ducking requires separation earlier. If music and navigation prompts are mixed into the same physical stream, the hardware cannot know which one to lower. To enable proper ducking, logical streams must be routed to different hardware outputs. Each output reaches the hardware through a separate physical stream. This allows the vehicle hardware to selectively reduce music volume when navigation speaks.